My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked for IRS for 10 long years. I've been in private practice for 41 years. Very few people in the industry have been doing this longer than myself, so I've seen quite a bit. I have a really large Facebook following, over 5,000 people, professionals. I've been on all the major news stations. As a matter of fact, I was the first person in the country to talk about the Donald Trump tax audit. Anyway, a lot of people, they ask me, well, who's the best person to go ahead and hire in the tax resolution industry? Well, I got to tell you, there's a lot of people. There's a lot of good people out there. There's a lot of bad people. Actually, the big box firms are the worst people to hire. What's a big box firm? You see their advertising all the time. They can settle. They can settle. As a former IRS agent, I settled cases. You're not going to have many people on YouTube say they settled. I used to accept offers and deny offers as a revenue officer. Peter Salinger of my team has worked over 3,500 offers in compromise. Yeah, we've worked that many. We know what the hell we're doing. My team, God, we've just got a huge team. But anyway, there's three type of people you can hire. You can hire an attorney, you can hire a CPA, and you can hire an enrolled agent, or you can hire a former IRS agent. Each one of them has a particular expertise to go ahead and handle your case. But it all depends on what the issue is. It's like, do you hire someone who changes oil to go ahead and change out your car motor? No. You've got to find the specialist who really matches up to the problems you have. So if you got a complicated tax issue and you're going to court, that's something an attorney may handle. If you got some complicated issue going on your tax return, a CPA may be the person you want to hire. If you really got an IRS issue or you owe debt or you're going through an audit, you really want to look to former IRS agents. Why? They know the process. They know the process because they've lived that life day in and day out, day in and day out. It's not a matter of working 200 cases a year. It's a matter of working 1,000 cases a year. So remember, when you're looking to hire someone, whether it's us or anyone, you've got to know what the problem is, and you've got to hire the person specifically designed to handle that particular problem, who has that particular expertise. Now everyone throws this big broadband net. Well, we handle this, we handle that. When you get down to it, they've handled like a couple hundred cases, not thousands. So ask that person who you're going to hire what their expertise is, how many cases they've had, how long they've been doing this, and what they can show to back that up for their expertise. That's the best person to hire. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me. Not a problem. Give me a subscription. If you have questions, you can just email me. I'll get you answers as best I can. I've got a lot of emails and texts coming in, but I do my best to get to them. Thank you so much for listening. Give me a subscription.